The last part of the 2016 joint ESA-Roscosmos mission to Mars did not end well. The Schiaparelli probe crash-landed and never sent back a signal. But its parent spacecraft, the Trace Gas Orbiter, is still fully operational. After testing its instruments, scientists are now preparing to start looking for sources of methane and other gases on the surface. From a distance of 400 kilometers, it will require some complex science.
So it will be really a Sherlock Holmes work to try to put together a case for whether it's geological or biological activity that is responsible for the methane.
It will also require some complex maneuvers. The orbiter is flying much too fast to scan the Martian surface, so mission controllers have to slow it down and change its orbit from elliptical to circular. Trying to save on the thruster's fuel, scientists decided to use the ever-shifting Martian atmosphere to slow the orbiter.
We have to take a lot of margin to be sure that even if we go through a moment where the atmosphere is more dense at the altitude where we are flying, we are still safe with the spacecraft.
The orbiter should start sending its first measurements of Martian gases before the end of this year. In the meantime, engineers from European and Russian space agencies are busy building the next rover, which will fly to Mars in 2020 and looking for the best landing spot.
We want a site where we had liquid water present over hundreds of millions of years. And we want this liquid water to be what we call low energy or slow flowing water, like on the canals in Amsterdam.
Scientists hypothesized that conditions on the Martian surface billions of years ago were similar to the conditions on Earth when life started here. George Putic, VOA News, Washington.